ก็ถ้าเอาความพร้อมนะครับก็สวัสดีทุกคนนะครับแล้วก็เอาความพร้อมตอนนี้ก็เราอาจจะมีเรื่องผู้เล่นบาดเจ็บบ้างนะครับนิดหน่อยแต่ว่าก็กับผู้เล่นที่จะลงมาทดแทนนะครับกับสควอตทีมตอนนี้ก็คิดว่าไม่ได้มีปัญหาอะไรครับทีมเราก็พร้อมพอสมควรครับ
Hello, Coach say hello to everyone and about the preparation of the team. Coach say we have some injury player, but everything will be fine and be ready for the game.
Good afternoon, everyone. For myself, of course, playing this type of big games is very important in my career, and all players want to play in this type of big state games. And playing against a team from my country is even more important. And I believe my team here in Perth is very excited and ready to go, and we believe they will take 3 points tomorrow.
ก็สวัสดีตอนบ่ายนะครับผมก็สำหรับเอฟานที่ว่าในเกมนี้ครับมันก็เป็นอีกเกมนึงที่สำคัญนะครับแล้วก็เขาได้เล่นกับทีมในบ้านเกิดเขาด้วยนะแล้วเขาก็หวังว่าจะเก็บ3 แต้มจากเกมนี้ได้
I mean, yeah, the most important for us was to get refreshed because we had such a busy schedule in that last couple of weeks. So that was my main goal, and of course we need to prepare technical things like always. So in terms of preparation, it's nothing that we don't do every week.
Yeah, obviously we're excited for the game. It's a Champions League, Asian Champions League game, and as a player, this is where you want to represent yourself and your club. And we know it's a tough competition against tough opposition, but we're confident going into the game. We've had a good start to our ACL campaign. And yeah, like I said, we've had a busy schedule, a lot of games, but we're feeling fresh mentally and physically, and looking forward to the game ahead. And as long as we perform and do what we know we're capable of, we're sure we can have a positive outcome.
Hả?